Okay, everybody. Hey, so since Michelle's had a little bit of difficulty with the glue lashes, which is normal because a lot of people have difficulty with the glue lashes, have difficulty with lashes at all. But when you're a little bit more mature, having eyelashes that kind of boost your look and enhance your eyes is a really nice thing to have. So I don't want y'all to be afraid of magnetic eyelashes. Lisa seemed to have good results with her liner thing. There was a couple of concerns she had, as you saw. Michelle had no luck with the dual eyelash one. So, you know, that's okay. Personally, I'm so old school. I prefer to use glue eyelashes anyway. Look at it. So I'm going to teach Michelle how to put glue eyelashes on real quick. And we're going to start with these huge ass drag queen style lashes. And if it goes well, we'll look at least as good as a drag queen. I'm going to try those too. So, okay, well, come on over, Harvey. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to open up the shot as soon as Harvey gets over here, and we're going to practice putting our eyelashes on. So, the first thing you do is usually your eyelashes come with a little lid on the top. I would take this lid off, set it there, and I would take my glue, and is this clear?
Yes.
You can get clear white or you can get black glue.
I believe it's there.
I would put a little drop of adhesive onto your little plastic thing, right? And then I would grab your eyelash from the middle of the card. Grab your eyelash from the middle of the card, and it should just pull off like that. So then you've got see over here, Harvey. Come over here. Open up the shot a bit. You need to get closer to me. Okay. So I've got a little dab of glue on my little card right now, and I've pulled off my lash from the middle, and I'm going to set this right here. So do you want to put a little dab of glue on your thing, and you put a little dab of glue here too? And then I want y'all to take your eyelash from the center of the eyelash and kind of smush it up. And that'll be, you don't want to pull your eyelash off the card from the end, because if you pull it off from the end, you could dislodge or bend one of the corner eyelashes. So you don't want to do that. So Harvey is taking the eyelash off the card. Okay, that came off pretty easily. Okay. Now you're going to pull yours off the card. Go ahead and pull two. You put them on this if you want. Here's your eyelash glue. You want to use some of this? Okay, so we're putting our adhesive onto our little card. And we're kind of, at this point, we're letting the glue sort of cure right now. So that once you've pulled off two eyelashes and you have them ready to go, you're going to take your eyelash, see how they taper? Do you see how they taper? The tapered end goes to the inside of your eye. So you're going to take your glue and you're going to take your eyelash and you're just going to drag your eyelash across the glue like this. See how I've just dragged it across the glue? So now you're going to take your eyelash, the one with your tapered end to the inside of your eye. You're going to let it cure a little bit. You want to let it cure about 30 seconds. You're out of the shot, so lean in.
Oh, okay. I'm trying to watch you.
No, that's okay. You'll watch it in the video. So you're going to take it, let it cure for about 30 seconds. That's key. That's the key thing. And also, you want to make sure that you have enough glue on your ends, because the ends will peel up first. So we're letting it cure a little bit. We're going to take it by the middle of the eyelash, and we're going to take it and place it against your lash line. Then, while it's slightly tacky, you can take your finger and adjust where the edge of the lash goes. The key to gluing on eyelashes is to let your glue cure. See?
Oh, man. No, I might do what she did and needing this bigger mirror over here.
The other thing that you want to do when you're putting on your eyelashes is if you come in to your eyelashes, so weird, these are huge.
I put it all over here, aren't they?
If you come in with your eyelash and you attempt to put it in like this, I mean, if you're looking down and you attempt to put your eyelash in like this, you're putting it in sideways. If you come in with your eyelash like this, as opposed to like this, because you're not putting it down, you're putting it on. So it's got to go in like this. So you come in like this.
Perpendicular, there's no angle.
Right. But do you see the difference between my eyes? It's like really pops.
Mm-hmm.
Now, granted, I need to adjust my eyelash, but overall the application went pretty smoothly. Again, I've drug it across the glue. I'm letting it cure. Yeah, you definitely need, I agree with you, Lisa, you definitely need both hands. So that kind of gives you an idea, you know, how it goes on. The key is to let your eyelash glue cure. See, so then it may not be perfect, but for popping on, I think it works. Do you see the drama that's changed?
It does.
And look
really
at
does.
your eyelashes, Harvey.
All
Very
right,
pretty.
hey,
Very
this is
pretty.
great. Yes.
And what did you do,
did
Michelle?
good. Well, I have one on.
Good job. Let's see.
It looks really good. You
It
can change your look.
changes your look in the
You
mirror.
upgraded your look
Maybe-
by,
Maybe
oh my
I
God.
should.
Take your glasses off.
I can't see without my
Well,
glasses.
you'll see in the video.
Michelle, I
Lean
swear,
forward to
that
the
one
camera.
eye, if you did both eyes, it upgraded your look by
It
like
does.
1,000 years.
They're
Really
not
good.
too big.
Really, no.
Actually, they're not.
Girl,
They're not.
you look glamorous with that.
Let's see. Look in the mirror.
I always see the girls when I'm out. You see people
It
wearing them.
upgraded your look considerably.
My mother used to get the ones.
Oh
put
my
in.
God, girl, it made me want to do it now watching yours. Change your
Okay,
look
yeah,
so
but look
much.
how
It
hard
did
it is.
change your look.
Look how hard it is for me to put them on.
But you got it on.
Practice.
That's the key. Practice makes perfect.
Okay, it's just.
What do you
I
say,
have glue everywhere.
Arve, you look beautiful. She always looks beautiful. That's what we love her.
Yeah, she's beautiful. They look beautiful on you too.
They look gorgeous.
And these are the extra long ones. These are the drag queen looking ones.
I
These
love
look
them.
pretty good. You can't be a drag queen. You're a girl.
You don't know that. I'm
No,
sorry.
you're a drag queen. You're a
Oh, I'm
queen
just
if you're a
sick.
girl. So what do you think, Lise?
I think that those look really fun on you.
Yeah,
they
they look
do.
nice on
Well,
you,
they're
too.
not perfect, but I think that if I had makeup
The
on,
eyeliner is going to help.
yeah. And remember, you can adjust them while they're still slightly tacky. So, you know, it takes time, takes practice. You got eyes on, Lisa?
No.
No eyes?
I'm gonna do it right
She's gonna do it now. Watch Lisa. She's gonna do the fake ones. Are you doing the glue?
Okay, I did my.
Whoa, you're goofy
I got-
glue. Way too much.
Girl,
glue.
that made you
Yeah,
look
right there.
so good. Put the other one on. So we should have took a before and after picture. That's what we should have done.
We did.
Oh, we did? Okay.
Okay.
I want to go see one of my girlfriends who never sees me with false eyelashes and just like walk over there and go, hey, girl.
She wouldn't think anything of it. Sisters are always
It
wearing
looks
fake
so
eyelashes.
much
It looks
better.
so different. Let's see your face. Arve.
Okay, should I use a great big one?
It's really pretty. Really pretty. And I've got
start
all
wearing
mine
them.
kind of clogged up to the front.
It's new.
You should start wearing them. It makes
I
you
am.
look completely different.
Tomorrow I'm wearing them.
But it's kind of like me, like wearing eyelashes around where I live is kind of like, you know, why would you bother wearing a fucking bra?
If I'm
Why
going
would I wear
somewhere, it
eyelashes?
should be around people, but not on a
Right.
normal day, just getting up, I'm not gonna wear them. But if I were gonna go out to lunch with a girlfriend or go do something different, yes, I'll definitely add lashes.
Look at me.
You look so gorgeous. Ooh, yes, girl.
That's very good.
Get over here, Harvey.
Mm-hmm.
Get
That
over-
changed our look.
I know, it does.
Oh my God, it changed my
Oh
life.
my God, look at Michelle.
I got much more.
My God, look at
Oh,
Michelle.
I swear, you look like you went from making 40,000 a year to 80,000
You see Michelle?
for real.
Pretty.
Wow, girl, you look gorgeous.
I mean, it's
can you take us a picture of all of us with our eyelashes
Yeah,
on? Oh,
absolutely.
it's so beautiful, Michelle. Everybody.
Michelle, look at your eyes. Look at your eyes.
They look cool. Yeah, I like it.
I love it.
Give me your lipstick and your lip liner. We love playing with makeup and stuff. So I am gonna tart up Michelle real quick. So right here.
It even changed Michelle's personality.
I know. It changed all of our
It
personalities.
did. It changed mine. It did.
Yeah, it does.
Uh-huh.
It would.
Mhm.
Let's see.
I'm getting used to them now. They're weird to put on. I've never had much luck.
So I'm not sure
As
what
you
I'm
can
looking for.
see.
Where's your lip
I
liner and
think
your
it's
lipstick?
so much of a
What
lumberjack.
else?
to do that.
Look at her makeup. It's so pretty and new.
Oh, I had washed that
God bless.
foundation and it was all over everything. This is,
Oh, the next thing we're gonna do is lip plumpers. So you're gonna be tuning in when we do lip plumpers because we're gonna do lip venom. We're gonna be doing this other one I can't remember that was highly recommended, and we're gonna be doing a surprise
that's
lip plumper,
eyes.
and
Hold
you're
on,
gonna
I
love
got
that.
one bad.
So show me your lipstick.
That's the wrong bad.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.